Let's attempt to crack the password of the router that connects us to the internet. Let's ping it first. And here we go, we have a connection. For this purpose, we will use the tool called Medusa to try to figure out the password. And once you write Medusa, the switches menu will appear. It's actually quite easy to use. But first, let me explain a bit about Medusa, which is a very fast and massively parallel modular login brute forcer. It has modules available to support almost any service that allows remote authentication using a password, such as FTP, POP3, Microsoft SQL, MySQL, SMTP, Telnet, and VNC. Compared to Hydra, which is process-based, Medusa is thread-based, which means it's actually much more faster than Hydra. So let's go to the bread and butter and try to crack the password. You just issue the command Medusa and then you provide the host IP using the hswitch .1.1, and then you provide the username. Usually the default username is admin, so let's try admin here. The password, just enter the P in uppercase. It will be in the rockyou.txt word list. Then provide the switch M and specify the protocol, which is HTTP. Just hit enter and watch Medusa does it work. As you can see here, Medusa is trying various passwords that are found in the rockyou.txt file. The rockyou.txt file is a very huge file containing more than 14 million modern passwords. It will go through all the options until it finds the right password for you. And after attempting around 740,000 passwords, the password was cracked.